So guys, we are doing double differentiation and the question is given that y equal to e4x into cos 3x. So this value or this term, whatever you can say, we have to do the double differentiation, means we have to do the differentiation twice of this term. So let's start the calculation. What we have done, see, before starting the double differentiation, we have to differentiate in both the sides. We have to differentiation at dy by dx also, and these things we have also we have to differentiate. So here we have done the differentiation. It's coming like this way, dy by dx and equal to, here we have used that UV method, that multiplication product rule we have used, du by dx. Once I have done for you in the rough side, that formula I have written, duv by dx, what, udv by dx plus v du by dx. This formula we will use here. So what we have done, see, e to the power 4x means this is the u dv, v means cos 3x by dx, into further with respect to s we have to differentiate, means 3x we have to differentiate, is coming as 3. Similarly this one, v du, and if we differentiate 4x, it's coming as 4. So now we have written that dy by dx as y1, means the first order differentiation is 1. So if we calculate this value, it is coming like this, minus 3 e4x sin 3x plus, and if we find this value, it's coming like this, plus 4 cos 3x e4x, and if we take the e4x common, then it is coming like this, minus 3 sin 3x plus 4 cos 3x. Now as the question is given, you have to find the double differentiation, means we have found the result of the first differentiation answer or first differentiation method. Now we have to do the differentiation of this term again, means not this one, we have to do the second time differentiation of this value, what the value has came from the first differentiation as y1, so we have to do the differentiation of y1 only. If we differentiation of y1 to the differentiation, then it is coming like this, by d square y by dx square, and if we differentiation this thing, e4x minus 3 sin 3x plus 4 cos 3x. So again we have used the formula, uv formula. Here e4x is u and this full value is as v. So u dv by dx minus 3 sin 3x plus u plus this thing v again, and du by dx e4x by dx. Now the thing is that many students are doing wrong in these calculations or doing incorrect in these calculations, is that they forget to break these things only, minus 3 sin 3x and 4 cos 3x, and that's why they didn't get the marks. So what I have done, see, notice carefully here, I have used the again UV formula in the inner part. So please, doing this type of sum, please watch or note carefully that whether the formula is applicable for the inner term or not. See here, as given minus 3 sin 3x and 4 cos 3x, so here it's applicable, that UV formula. So again we have used that UV formula. See, I have done the direct answer first, but please you don't do this direct answer in the examination. You have to show the steps, otherwise you will not get the full appropriate marks. So what I have done, see, minus 3 is, neglect minus part, don't take the minus now, okay. See what is given, 3 sin 3x, okay, so 3 is u and sin 3x is v, so u v du by dx, 3 is u, then dv by dx, d sin 3x by x dx, so sin 3x will become cos 3x, and further if we will differentiate 3x, it will become 3, and if we differentiate all these 3, it will come as 0. So only the answer is coming minus 9 cos 3x, and similarly if we differentiate plus 4 cos 3x, it will become as this, cos will be converted into sine, 3x will be converted into 3, and it will multiply with 4, it will come as minus 12 sin 3x. Similarly, see, but here and here differentiate of e to the power 4x, what will come, e to the power 4x come as e to the power 4x, and 4x will become only 4. Now what I have done, I have written this and arranged them in an appropriate form. You can see this. Now the next line I have done, I have to the power 4 and simply multiplied this term with 4, this term with 4, what's the answer is coming? 4 3 is 12 means minus 12 sin 3x, and 4 4 is 16 plus 16 cos 3x. Now we have done simply subtraction or addition, whatever is coming. Let's see, minus 9 cos 3x plus 16 cos 3x, what is coming? 7 cos 3x, minus 12 sin 3x, minus 12 sin 3x, minus 24 sin 3x, and if we arrange these terms, it's coming, if 4x will be common as outside, 7 cos 3x minus 24 sin 3x. So guys, this is our answer, final answer of the second order differentiation of this question. So please see this sum carefully, and if you find any problem anywhere, ask me anytime and I'll happy to solve your problem. Okay.